Well, hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It is Miss T here. Today is September the 9th, and it is about 6:20 here where I am at. I hope that you all are doing well. So today, friends, I have been cleaning like a mad woman. I'm just now making it back here to my bedroom area, and I'm getting ready to put some fresh sheets on my bed and stuff, and comforters and all that type of stuff. So I said, hey, I need to get some content, so why not go ahead and record this little cleaning session. So I'll be so glad when I'm done. All I gotta do is just clean my little small bathroom in here. I will be done officially with cleaning, y'all. I hate cleaning, I swear I do. It is absolutely not a fun time. So, but anyway, let me get my sheets out of my closet. I'll be back. So yeah, I'm not going to talk through this whole entire video because that would just slow up my process. So I'm going to try to go ahead and move on forward and get this stuff done here or whatever. And let me move this camera around a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to try to go ahead and get this bed made up and stuff. So like I said, I'm not going to try to talk through this whole entire video, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna get my sheets put on my bed. This is my mother. This is my mommy. She passed away April of 2001. So I keep her obituary in a picture frame on my stand over here. And then this is flower that came off my mom's casket. And it was an artificial one. And that's what I wanted because I wanted to have something to keep that wouldn't, you know, wither and die. And then this here is me and my sisters. It's 4 of us all together. Me and my sisters. My mother used to love to wear this scarf. She used to love to wear this scarf around her head. And me and my sisters all cut a piece of it, and we all have a piece that we have of her. You know, just as a keepsake to have something of hers. It used to smell like her, but of course it doesn't smell like her anymore, but it used to. But like I said, we keep these as a keepsake, and I keep it because I sleep on this side of the bed, so I keep it above where I sleep at, so I always have her with me close by. So yeah, that's my little reminder of a piece of my mommy and stuff. In the closet. Yeah. Y'all, ain't nothing like losing a parent. You never really get over it and stuff. You know, parents aren't perfect, but I believe the majority of them do the best that they can. Because, baby, when they ain't here no more, let me tell you something, it hit differently. It hit different, baby. Ain't no pain like that pain. Trust me when I tell you it's not. No pain like that pain. So anyway, hold on. This camera short. Short camera look at me at home. I'll show y'all my room. Once I got out, because I want to camera down. Alright, y'all. I'll let you. Hey friends, welcome back. Miss T here. Y'all, it's hours later, and I'm finally done cleaning my room. I am so tired, y'all. So tired. Like, oh my God, I've been cleaning today like I am, just, I don't know, like I had lost my last mind. But I finally got my room clean. I wiped down walls and everything. Like, yeah, I did one of them type cleanings. But anyway, y'all, this is how everything came together. So let me just turn y'all around. So this is how my bed, the comforter set I put on my bed. I wiped down my little table over here and stuff. Wipe down all my little, well, this ain't all my little Bath and Body Works, but the ones I got in my room. Wiped all that stuff off or whatever. Put my mommy back up here above my bed. Then I wipe my little stand down here, y'all. This here lights up, but I ain't got no batteries. And I looked and I didn't have no AA batteries. I only had some AAA, so I have to get some batteries tomorrow. But I like to turn that on at nighttime. And it look real pretty, but I ain't turned it on in a minute though. But anyway, I got my mommy's little candle over here burning or whatever and stuff. So yeah, got her sitting pretty and stuff. So y'all, I put my curtains up. Them white curtains in the middle, those curtains was brand new, child. And I know I probably need to have pressed them curtains out, but I was not going to do none of the above. No, ma'am. No, sir. At all. I was not getting ready to do it. So I was just too tired. Honey, I threw them up and I was like, baby, the wrinkles can loose on their own. Because, honey, I'm not finna... No, we're not finna go there. So, otherwise, y'all, this was all I did. To my room, I put all my perfumes and stuff up or whatever. Wiped off my clock and stuff. Wiped my little stand. My TV was on. I gotta clean my bathroom, y'all. I got a bath and a half, so I gotta clean my little small bathroom. And then my rugs down there for my small bathroom. I'll do that tomorrow before I clock on to work. And then I still got a load and a half of clothes to wash, and I wasn't about to wash that either, y'all. It was a done deal. Yeah. It's real deal life, y'all. I was tired, honey. It kicked my behind. Do you hear what I'm saying? Like, it literally got my behind. I'm tired. For real. So, honey, your girl finna take a shower and go to bed. But I just wanted to show y'all how my room turned out after I finished getting it all cleaned up and stuff like that, y'all. I hadn't done a deep clean like this in a long while. Like I said, baby, I was in here washing walls off. So, yeah. So, anyway, friends, that's it. Miss T signing off. I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to bed. So, until the next time, please be sure to subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you turn your notification bell so that you're alerted every time I upload a new video, y'all. Share my video. And as always, y'all, stay blessed. One love.